Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel 5.7 liter Hemi, and it also has the eTorque motor in it, guys. So that is the biggest, baddest motor you can buy in the half-ton truck, and this vehicle has it. Starting off on the front with the front bumper, you're going to notice it has an upgraded front steel bumper. It's an upgraded bumper. It also does have the front monitoring system, which is going to be those circles you're seeing running across the front bumper. Front automatic headlights, very nice aggressive front end with the upgraded aggressive hood on this vehicle. Blacked out badging throughout, 18-inch factory rims wrapped in a very aggressive but very nice Goodyear Wrangler tire. Crew cab truck, four-wheel drive truck. Just like the front, the back has the upgraded steel bumper, as you can see there, and this vehicle does have dual exhaust with them black exhaust tips. Tow package located on this vehicle with a 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup. Very nice Ram logo badging on the back. Like I said, it's blacked out just like everything else, with your factory backup camera located on the handle there. This vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. It also comes with extended coverage on the powertrain. And with all that said, with it being the 5.7 liter Hemi, even with that eTorque, you're going to get mid-20s fuel economy and a 4-wheel drive crew cab truck. So there's no reason you should not be getting 25 miles per gallon in this truck, which is a very, very impressive considering all the truck this is. To the inside, as you're going to see, first when you open the door, you're going to notice the red and black two-tone throughout this vehicle, which definitely gives it a nice look. Power side mirrors, power folding side mirrors, power windows and power locks, power driver's seat, 4-way power lumbar, automatic overhead headlighting, power foot pedestals or foots. You're braking your pedal down there, they're power. Just like the door, you saw everything's red and black from the steering wheel to the trim to the seats. These 4 buttons here are going to operate your instrument cluster, located over here right in the center, right under that nice Rebel, lit up Rebel emblem right there. It's going to show you everything from your miles per hour, miles per gallon, your trip information, all your radio information, and all your vehicle information while it's running. Right here we have all your hands-free capability, so you can program your phone directly into this vehicle. No longer have to reach for it while driving down the road. Simply hit the green button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. Cruise control located on the right. And on the back of the steering wheel, we also do have capability when it comes to increasing and decreasing the volume of your radio and also changing your radio station. Everything's push button right here with this vehicle. Simply push button start and stop. And it also does have a remote start located on the key fob. Push button 4-wheel drive system. Also turn key for your reverse, neutral, and drive. And by putting in reverse, you do see we do have the factory backup camera built into the radio. AM, FM, Sirius XM radio with this vehicle. Comes with a free subscription when purchasing it brand new. This vehicle does have dual climate controls, so you can set it on the passenger side a different temperature on the driver's than the passenger side. You also have an auto feature, and by hitting the auto button, it'll take the interior of the cab to your desired temperature and maintain it for you. Bunch of factory apps that are built into this radio, and we also do have some additional heated seats for the driver and passenger with a high, medium, and a low setting, and also a heated steering wheel. Underneath the radio, we have the knob to operate your volume, and over here we have the knob to change your channel if you'd like it. Underneath the radio settings, we are going to have a second option when it comes to your heated seats and your climate control. So you can also turn on your heated seats and your heated steering wheel with these 3 buttons right here. And just like that, down here we have another option with these 3 buttons right here, or knobs, I'm sorry, when it comes to your climate control. So you can adjust it from right here or inside your radio. Very large center console. As you can see here, it's got a large center console right up here up front with an AC plug down there. You shut that, you have 2 cup holders and a smaller cubby hole right there. Nice leather wrapped armrest here, and a very small, not very small, it's a smaller storage compartment with a USB plug, but no worries, there's an extremely large one right underneath that. Universal garage door openers, up to 3 garage door openers can be programmed in right here. Extremely large sunroof that goes all the way to the back of the vehicle. Very nice feature. And as you can see, everything on this thing is black and red, from the sides of the seats to the door panels to the dash to everything. Just a really, really cool look. Another feature of this thing is the upgraded floor mats with the red emblem of the Ram on there. So them rubber floor mats are nice. You can simply pull them out, spray them off, and throw them back in. Same in the rear with them floor mats. Another AC plug built in right here in the back, along with USB plug access. Very nice rear bench, and just like the front, you have the red accents everywhere you look. This rear bench does have capabilities of tethering in a car seat, so you can securely and safely put in a car seat. Power rear sliding window right there in the center, and that also is a defrostable window. Extremely nice vehicle, 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, 5.7 liter eTorque motor in this thing. All the bells and whistles inside, two-tone black and red leather inside. Very nice touchscreen radio, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and much, much more. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see more pictures of this vehicle, all the still pictures of it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. For the guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned vehicle, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.